Howdy! In this module, we'll talk about tips to make your courses accessible provided by Sandra Childers, our web and information designer for eSale. This module will discuss the importance of developing accessible online courses and documents and provides a few important and impactful ways to get your courses more accessible. We'll go over how to create alt tags for non-text-based content, look at how to test the contrast ratio for our documents, and provide captions and transcripts for all of our video and audio material. By keeping accessibility in mind while developing your online courses, on your own or with assistance from our design team, you'll be more prepared and less likely to need last-minute accommodation revisions, as most needs will be built in already. This should help reduce the anxiety that can arise when students ask for accommodations. Also, you'll be helping all of your students learn, not just those with disabilities. Some type of disability affects approximately 61 million, or nearly 1 in 4 people in the United States, and more than 1 billion worldwide. The highest percentage of people with disabilities in the United States are those living in the South, including Texas. But making your online courses accessible isn't just for those with disabilities. It's about all of your students, providing what they need to succeed in your course. It's providing captions for those that can't use the sound to watch your videos or lecture captures. It's giving study aids by providing your review or notes in electronic form. It's helping visual learners follow along with captions so they can better retain the information you're teaching them. When you visualize people using elevators, you probably don't see just those using a wheelchair. You see people going up to the 10th floor for work, parents with small children, someone with a bad knee, or people carrying shopping bags after a long trip to the mall. Everyone can benefit from elevators. We make online education accessible to ensure all students have equitable access to your instruction and materials. With this in mind, accessibility should be a concern for all of us, regardless of our roles on campus. eSale is committed to assisting faculty in the College of Engineering with this process, so no one person is expected to do this alone. Move on to the second part of this video to learn how we make our online courses accessible.